Google's aged Pixel 2 smartphone still has one of the best available cameras, but some unfortunate users have discovered that their rear cameras have stopped working completely, in some cases permanently. Although this problem, fortunately rare, seems to have affected the Pixel 2 and Pixel 2 XL phones since its launch, user complaints have gained momentum and Google has now publicly acknowledged the problem and announced that a solution is finally being worked on. According to a long thread in the Google product forums, the problem causes the applications to hang with a fatal error message when they try to access the back camera, leaving it completely inoperable. For now, there is no long-term solution to the problem, although some users reported that their cameras started working again after activating and deactivating the Bluetooth function of the phone. Apart from that, the current remedy is to contact the support of Google, which has been supplying replacement phones to the affected parties. The recent Google announcement gives hope to those users who prefer to avoid the inconvenience of waiting for a phone replacement, but there is no indication of when or if the official solution will finally arrive.